If you feel tired all the time, struggle to lose belly fat, or feel heavy after meals, your liver might be in trouble. And here's the shocking part. You don't need to drink alcohol to damage your liver. Today, more than 1 in 4 adults has fatty liver disease, and most of them have no idea. It's called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and it's quietly destroying energy, metabolism, and long-term health. Let me explain what's really happening. Your liver is your body's main metabolic engine. It regulates blood sugar, processes fat, detoxifies chemicals, and helps convert food into usable energy. But when fat builds up inside liver cells, this engine starts to fail. You feel exhausted, fat loss slows down, blood sugar rises, inflammation increases, and aging accelerates. So what causes fatty liver if it's not alcohol? The real enemy is fructose and insulin resistance. Fructose is a type of sugar found in table sugar, syrups, soda, fruit juice, and many processed foods. Unlike glucose, which every cell can use, fructose can only be processed by your liver. That's the key. Every time you drink juice or consume hidden sugars, your liver has to deal with it directly, just like alcohol. Too much fructose overwhelms the liver, and the excess gets converted into fat. Over time, this fat accumulates inside liver cells. This is how fatty liver develops. And once your liver becomes fatty, everything else starts to break down. Fatty liver blocks fat burning. It worsens insulin resistance. It increases triglycerides. And it traps your body in storage mode. This is why many people can't lose belly fat no matter what they try. That deep belly fat is not passive storage. It actively releases inflammatory chemicals that travel straight to your liver through the portal vein. This creates a toxic feedback loop. More belly fat increases liver inflammation. More liver inflammation increases insulin resistance. And higher insulin resistance pushes even more fat back into your liver. This is why fatty liver and visceral fat almost always appear together. And this is also why calorie cutting alone rarely works. If your liver is overloaded, your body cannot properly burn fat, no matter how little you eat. Another hidden contributor is sleep disruption. Poor sleep raises cortisol and increases nighttime glucose production by the liver. Even one bad night can significantly reduce insulin sensitivity the next day. Over weeks or months, this keeps your liver trapped in fat storage mode. Muscle mass also plays a critical role. Your muscles act like glucose sponges. The more muscle you have, the more sugar gets pulled out of your bloodstream before it reaches the liver. This is why simple resistance training, even twice per week, dramatically improves fatty liver outcomes. Not intense workouts, just basic strength movements. Finally, chronic stress deserves special attention. Stress hormones signal your liver to release stored glucose, even when you don't need it. This constant glucose release keeps insulin elevated and blocks liver recovery. This is why relaxation, breathing, and nervous system regulation are not optional extras. They are metabolic tools. Healing fatty liver requires lowering insulin, reducing inflammation, improving sleep, activating muscles, and calming the stress response. When these systems work together, the liver finally gets the message that it is safe to release stored fat. Common warning signs include constant fatigue, brain fog, a feeling of heaviness after meals, sometimes discomfort on the right side of the abdomen, itchy skin, and stubborn abdominal fat. Most people ignore these signs, but here's the good news. Your liver can regenerate, and with the right strategy, fatty liver can be reversed. Let's talk about how. First, remove the main trigger. That means eliminating liquid sugar, fruit juice, soda, sweetened drinks, and processed foods with added fructose. Whole fruit is fine, juice is not. When fruit is blended or juiced, the fiber is removed and sugar hits your liver all at once. Second, reduce insulin spikes. Fatty liver and insulin resistance always travel together. Lowering insulin is how you give your liver room to heal. Simple habits make a massive difference. Eat fiber first, protein second, and carbohydrates last. This slows glucose absorption and protects your liver. Walk for 10 minutes after meals. This alone can significantly reduce blood sugar and help shuttle glucose into muscles instead of the liver. Third, use intermittent fasting. Even a gentle fasting window like 14 to 16 hours allows your liver to empty stored fat. Fasting gives your liver time to clean itself. It's one of the most powerful tools you have. Now let's talk about specific foods that actively support liver repair. Coffee is one of them. Multiple studies show that black coffee reduces liver inflammation and fibrosis. 2 to 3 cups per day is associated with better liver health. Next, choline. Choline helps transport fat out of the liver. Low choline intake is strongly linked to fatty liver. Egg yolks are one of the best natural sources. Adding eggs back into your diet can dramatically help liver fat metabolism. Cruciferous vegetables are also critical. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage activate liver detox enzymes and improve fat processing. These vegetables literally turn on your liver's cleanup system. Now let's briefly talk supplements. These are helpers, not magic pills. NAC, or N-acetylcysteine, supports glutathione production, your body's master antioxidant. Milk thistle may help reduce liver inflammation and oxidative stress. They don't replace lifestyle changes, but they can support recovery. One more important point: if your liver is fatty, your metabolism is slowed. Your hormones don't work properly, your energy stays low, and fat loss becomes extremely difficult. This is why fixing fatty liver often leads to rapid improvements in energy, mental clarity, and body composition. So here's the bottom line. Fatty liver is not caused by alcohol alone. It is driven by fructose, insulin resistance, and constant sugar exposure. But it is reversible. Remove liquid sugar, lower insulin spikes, walk after meals, use fasting, drink coffee, eat eggs, add cruciferous vegetables, and give your liver time to regenerate. Fix your liver first. Everything else becomes easier. If this video helped you understand why your energy and metabolism may have been stuck, give it a like. And if you want science-based strategies to restore metabolic health and age better, subscribe to Vitality Lab. We don't chase trends here, we fix foundations. In the next video, we'll talk about why so many people crash at 3 p.m. every day and how to fix it naturally. See you there.